Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. I know I always say the same thing, but today we have something special. Today we'll have something completely different that we never ever tried before. Check it out. I don't know what it is. You know what it is? You know what it is? Yeah, I know what it is. Alligator, guys. Our friend Glenn, he's an alligator hunter. He sent all this stuff to us for us to try it because we never did it before. So it's gonna be the first time for me to eat it, the first time for Miss Ninja, the first time for the other Ninja. And we're ready for it, man. So I'm gonna be filming. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. Let's go for it.
So back in here, guys. Today I'm really nervous and I'm really excited because we're gonna use a different feature from our Ninja. We are not air crisping and we are not grilling either, but we are going to preheat it like always, and we're gonna use this time the sear and saute feature of the Ninja. So let's get it going. Sear or saute. And you have five different levels, which is high, medium, low, medium, and low. So let's go ahead and set it up at medium. Press start, and let's start working in our ingredients. Come and join me. And now for the ingredients for the alligator. We're going to use some salt, garlic powder, some fresh pepper, soy sauce, some ginger, some garlic sriracha, rice vinegar, sugar, and some mandarin zest. Let's mix our alligator and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, since we have our alligator already pre-seasoned, we're gonna start the process. Now that our Ninja has been preheated, we're gonna go ahead and pour some olive oil, just a little bit, because we're gonna go ahead and saute our alligator. Do not overcook the alligator because it will become really, really chewy. So let's start pouring our alligator in here. There we go. And let's give it just a few minutes. Pour all the condiments in there. And turn them around. See how it's changing colors? Let me tell you something about the alligator meat. The color, it's kind of white reddish, kind of like fish, but it does not smell like fish. I never done this before. It is a challenge for me, but with this recipe, I really think it's gonna come out really good. I have set up the Ninja at saute or sear in a medium level, so I'm going to set it up to medium high to get them going a little bit faster.
Well, it's time to give it a try, guys. These things smell like crazy good. I'm anxious, man. I don't know what to expect, you know. Everybody tells me something different. Oh, it tastes like this. Oh, it looks like that. This, but it doesn't look like anything anybody said. It looks awesome, smell amazing, and I really, really want to give it a try. So
I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, it smells really good. The recipe is really good, but I have never tried alligator before, and I have tried a lot of things.
We never tried before.
Let's give it a try. Salud.
Salud.
For all of you guys, this is for you.
This is coffee tequila, guys. This thing is awesome.
Awesome.
All right, ready?
Let's try the alligator.
Okay. All right. It's not tender, like beef.
Mmm.
It's actually really good.
I'm shocked.
Wow.
I am shocked.
It's tender.
It's good. This recipe is really good.
This thing is good, guys.
I was really nervous.
She was really nervous.
Yes.
We never tried before.
I have never cooked alligator in my life.
I don't know if you can see it inside. It looks like chicken.
Mm-hmm.
But it doesn't taste like chicken. I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting this.
Me neither.
She was predisposed to all this thing because she's been talking to people. People has been telling her that it's not good. But the reality is that it's really, really, really good. It's really tasty. It tastes awesome. It's tender.
Yes.
It's nice. I would like to combine it with a little bit of rice. Let's see what happens.
If you guys like it, the recipe will be in the description box. I think the combination of the soy sauce with the ginger, the mandarin, really nice. I am shocked. This part is really soft.
This is actually really good. I have to thank Glenn for this dinner. He sent this meat to us.
Thank you so much.
He tried a few times. We finally got it. He is an alligator hunter in Central Florida. He's an awesome guy. I'm leaving all his information on the description of the video, guys. So if you want to hunt alligator, you can check him out. He get them all sizes, and he got some 11 foot the other day.
Whoa.
That was crazy.
That's scary.
You know, thank you, Glenn, for supporting this beautiful, beautiful dinner. I wasn't expecting this, Glenn. I know you told me it was awesome, but I was not expecting this. I was expecting this to be
Yes.
In the best case, I was like, that's gonna be alright. This thing is good. This thing is awesome. I won't give it a delicious, but this thing is really close to the delicious right there, guys. Awesome, awesome recipe. Miss Ninja did a really good job with this thing.
Thank you.
It's awesome.
Thank you.
I mean,
and guess what?
a little bit of tequila.
Yes. Even if you guys don't like alligator meat, guess what? You have to go and visit Glenn. Glenn, I want to go alligator hunting just for the thrill of it. We can be the next Crocodile Dundees.
He sent me some photos of the places that he go hunting.
I want to go.
It's so beautiful up there, guys. It's so nice. It's so quiet. It's awesome. Give him a call. Ask him the prices and all that. There is a lot of things that have to happen in order for somebody to go hunting alligators. You need to have a tag and all these things. So it's good if you guys communicate with him. If you talk to him about these things, he will explain everything to you. And he's such a nice guy that you're gonna become his friend right away. If you want to really cook a good alligator, guys, you have to follow this recipe. Miss Ninja kill it. She killed it in this one, man. Awesome alligator. What about you, Miss Ninja?
I am, because I am impressed. I'm impressing myself.
Yeah. We're gonna finish this dinner right now, but I don't want to keep you holding for that. So if you like this video, please hit us with a like. And if you want anything to talk about, this video, this recipe, whatever you have in mind, put it down there in the comments, guys. We answer all the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing it. So you better subscribe because we're putting a bunch of videos online for you guys. That's all for today, guys. And remember that I love you.
We love you.